This video is going to explain how to create a plate with a Solidworks. As before, we start a new environment. One is part, and click on OK. And the part refers to create a diamond shape for the plate. We start from sketch and use this circle command and click on the front plane. And here we draw 4 circles, one at each corner. They are all aligned with a central point. 2. So align and click and drag and click. Same, align, click, drag and click. The dimension of the circle doesn't really matter at this stage. We're going to come back to define it. The next is to set the distance between the circles. We use first horizontal dimension, click one circle, click other one, and move upwards, click, enter 66 according to the drawing. And the other one, click, 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 66. Next is to the vertical dimension. So that is the vertical dimension. And click, click, drag horizontally, click, 55 here, according to the drawing. And click, drag away, click. This dimension is a 61. Right. Now we need to draw the center lines, because you can see obviously this one is not actually aligned now because we do the dimension. So we need to go to a center line command. First, center, vertical one, center of circle, and the center, move down to the center, click, drag away, and double click. It stops the line command and move to the other center here. Click, move to this center, click, and move to this center, click. Leave the mouse and click, drag away, double click, stop it. Now we can see this is horizontal, this is vertical, this is vertical, but we need to actually change this line. Right, so we need to press escape key. I'll click on this one and click on this one and click on this make horizontal command. Now they are all aligned to each other. The next is to assign a dimension for the circles. Go here. It's time to do the smart dimension. Click on the circle, drag away, click. Because the radius is 12, the diameter is 24, enter 24, return. Same for this one, click, drag away, click, 24. And do the same for this one, click, drag away, and enter 24. Click. The bottom circle is slightly larger than the other 3, which is 26 because the radius is 13. Okay. The next is to draw lines between the circle. Straight line. So we need to go to the circle. When it becomes orange, also the yellow indicator indicate is tangent. Okay, click, Do the same here. Orange plus yellow tangent, click and drag it away, double click. Right, then you move back again, click and click, drag away, double click, click here, click. So it should be one click, one click and drag away, double click. I do the same for the last one, click, drag away, double click. The next step is to trim off this inner circle. Click on this one, trim entities, make sure the power trim there. So what you do is click and hold the key and move the rod, hold the mouse key, click, hold the mouse key, click, hold the mouse key. Okay. So now the plate is done. Right? And then we go to the features. We use extrude, also base. Now we're in 3D. We define the extrusion start from mid-plane, and the dimension for that one is 6 according to the drawing. Now we can click, the plate is there. Next, we're going to create circles on this one. To create a circle on this one, we need a sketch. Right. We need select a plate. Right. Just then we move to this edge, and you'll see a center here, and then we'll click and drag away, click, enter 4.5 because the diameter is 9, and do the same until the center appears, and then click and move away, click. So same. Before you move your mouse to this, you won't see the center. Okay, when you move this, you'll see the center. And click. And drag away and click. 4.5. Okay. Then we can click on these features. Then we click on this extrude cut. Then we click on this mid-plane. Then we keep this 6 and click on green tick. You see holes are there. So we have this plate with 3 holes on it. Now you can save it as the plate. That's it for this video.